Are you here for Dance Academy Spa? Is there anything I can do for you? Yes. All I need is to get your name and what you'd like to do. We have dance and spa and food. Okay. Okay. So when would you like to do it? Yes, let me just go check. We have 8 to 10, 11 to 1, 1 to 4, 4 to 6, 6 to 9, open every day, open all day. Hi, yeah. What do you mean tomorrow, maybe? Sorry. Yeah, so that's why you should come to the Dance Academy and Spa.